Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to record your Windows 11 screen for free online. In this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to press Windows key button and here you need to search Clipchamp like this and open the web search result. Now it will open your browser. As you can see guys, it will redirect you to that website. As you can see, Clipchamp, just click on try for free like this. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just sign in with your account and now then you can get this type of interface. Here you can get the option create a new video. Just click and open it. Now it will open the video editor. As you can see guys, okay, now just here you can get the option in the left panel, record and create. Just click on it. Now here you can get the option screen and camera screen. Just I want to record my screen, just I will select screen option and here you can get the record button. Just click on it. Now it will ask you to record the Microsoft Edge tab or the any particular window or entire screen. Just I am going to select entire screen like this, just and then you need to check share system ID option like this. Select your screen and then click on share option. Now it will start the recording. As you can see guys, now my screen was recording. Now guys, you don't need to download and install any third-party application software for your Windows 11. With this help of online tool, you can easily able to record your Windows 11 screen for free. After the recording was completed, here you can get the option stop sharing. Just click on it and open your web browser and the recording file was now showing here. As you can see guys, now here you can get the option save and edit. Just click on it and the video file will downloaded on your PC in the download section. And then if you want to edit the video clip, you can also get the option to edit the video file. As you can see guys, lot of option is available here. After editing, if you want to export this file, here you can also get the option export. Just click on it, select your video quality and just export it. That's it. So this is the very nice and very useful online tool to record your Windows 11 screen and to edit your videos. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.